Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great weekend. This is our weekly watch list video highlighting a few stocks we are watching this week. So first things first, getting started here, watching QQQ, and let's break it down from the weekly chart here, then down into the daily, and then we'll go into a few individual names to keep on watch this week. So we have this low right here, we put in that potential low, now we tried to put in a potential lower high, which is where we broke below this prior weekly bar's low. And at one point this looked like, if you go into this, at one point this looked like a red bearish engulfing like this, which does look like we could come down and revisit down here. But then we close on some strength with this bottoming wick here. So for me, as long as this low at 469.03 holds, I do think we have room to the upside here this week on this weekly chart perspective. And the daily, in terms of Monday, I'm watching long over 47728 with a first target into 48487, then 488.26, and then to retest this big area right here at 491.16. So definitely keeping this on watch. As long as this holds, it does look good. And again, below 469.03, I do think we have room for puts down into 463.56. But as long as we hold up here, we do have room for this to be a potential higher low on the daily, which would confirm that higher low once we broke 484.87 to the upside here this week. As for a few individual names, Apple going to be the first one. Watching this failed breakdown that's retesting structure here. So you can see we get this nice breakout on this bar right here. Now we're coming back and retesting the structure here. If this holds 229.04, I do think we can come back up into 232.93. And above that, these all-time highs here are on watch. And when we go into the weekly chart, as long as we hold this low at 224.01, this structure is still intact for this upside move here. So watching this here for that move, this is that 3-bar play, which could essentially be a 4-bar play now on these two narrow bars for that upside continuation move this week. Amazon, nice failed breakdown over 178.52, and let's go into the daily. Over this 178.52 area right here, watching longs targeting 182.75, and if we do get strong trend strength over that, I do think we have room up into 189 and 190. And from the 4-hour here, a very, very nice higher low. Now we're retesting this structure from below. If we can hold here, I do think we have lots of room up into 182.75, and then to fill that move up into this big resistance around this 190 psych region this week. So longs on watch over 178.52 with potential to trade up into 190 on this name. And then the last one here, Microsoft, nice failed breakdown, but this is trying to put in a potential higher low. So if we can break this weekly bar's high, I do think we can see at least a move up into 431.58 and even potential up here into that 440.45, which this confirms the higher low if we break this prior bar's high, or this red doji bar's high right here. So from the daily chart perspective, over 419.93, and let's just round up and call it 420. Watching longs that holds this level for a move up into 425, and then macro target of 431.58, and then 440.45. I like how we held these lows here. We're putting in that attempted higher low here, and then this daily candle on this Thursday bar failed to break, and we closed strong on this hammer move on Friday. So if we can open over 420 area, that would be even better. But watching this hold of 419.93 for that continuation move to the upside. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions about our team or you're interested in learning more, feel free to check out our website at simplified-investing.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. I hope you guys all crushed this short week, and I hope you guys all had a great Labor Day weekend. Thank you.